This.
Hi friends, this is Ramesh here. In this class, we are going to see about what are the limitations of the list items. What are the limitation of navigating the list items? So when a list is separated by 2 pages as that of a table, as we saw in the previous class. So today now we are going to see how the list items are separated by 2 pages in a single list group. So how we have to navigate and how the behavior of the screen reader will be when it was separated by 2 pages in the reading option of that currently visible page setup reading. Okay, so I'm having a file.
Zoom row 1 column. Downloads row downloads. Items view. Today grouping expanded. Lists 1 corrected 1 of 6. Unit 1 Great People of India Adobe Acrobat Pro.
So this is the same file which we used in the previous class.
Heading level 1 page.
So let me go to that list with 4 items.
List with 3 items. List with 2 items. List with 2 items. List with 2 items. List with 4 items. Bullet.
Okay, list with 4 items. It is the focus is in the default of the LBL of the first list item. Okay, so let me navigate
out of list heading level 4 achievement.
Okay, let me navigate using the shortcut key I for list item, as we said in the previous class. So I'm giving I'm pressing I now.
List with 4 items. Bullet number 1 key fought against racial discrimination in South Africa.
So number 1, the first list item is it's in on page. Let me press I again.
Page 2 bullet number 2 is Satyagraha campaign in SA led to the 1914 Indian Relief Act.
So the second list item is in the second page. I'm giving I again.
Bullet number 3 Mahatma Gandhi won his first battle of civil disobedience in India at Champaran.
So this is the third list item. I'm pressing I again.
Bullet number 4 he successfully led a non-violent tax revolt in Kedah. No next list item.
So okay. So that's all. Only 4 list items are there in this group. So what we come to know here is in these 4 list items in this group, the first list item is in the first page. The remaining second, third, and fourth list items are there in the the next page, that is second page. So here the focus is in entire document reading page setup. So let us check up. I'm giving control home.
Out of list heading level 1 page 1 unit 1.
It is moving to the page 1. I'm giving control end.
Table with 3 rows and 4 columns. Row 3 science column 4 page 490.
So it is in the page 4. So why we are giving this control home and the control end, that we already already seen in many classes. So just go through the other videos for this. So now the page setup is in entire document reading page setup. So while in this reading option page setup, entire document page reading setup, it is announcing that the list group is having 4 number of list items in that group. So let me change the reading option as currently visible page only. For that, I'm going to press F6.
Find tools edit blank.
Edit box will come. Here we have to search for accessibility tool.
A C C E S S I V I I T Y. Run accessibility button.
I'm giving tab to search for reading options.
Reading options button.
Here it is. I'm pressing enter.
Change reading options of current document dialog. Change reading options of this.
So change reading option dialog box will come. Here I'm using tab.
Read the entire document radio button checked all.
So it is in the read the entire document page setup. I'm pressing down arrow once.
Read the currently visible pages only radio button checked alt plus D.
So read the currently visible page. I'm pressing tab to start and activate.
Start button alt plus S. Unit 1 Great People of India Adobe Acrobat Pro DC 32-bit.
So let me go to the page number 1.
Heading level 1 page.
It is already in the page 1 itself. So here if I press L for searching that 4 list items group, I'm pressing L.
List with 3 items. 1.
So this is the first list.
List with 2 items. List with 2 items. List with 2 items.
So after this, that list has to come. Watch clearly what it is announcing.
List with 1 items. Bullet.
So list with 1 item. So in the page, let me press L again.
No next list.
So there is no any list in the first page. So I'm moving to the second page. So it is in the currently visible page setup reading. So I'm giving control page down.
List with 3 items. Page 2 bullet. Number 2 in Satyagraha campaign in SA length of the 9th.
So here the remaining three list items are there. So the 4 list items has been separated by the page number 1 and 2 as one list item in the page number 1 at the end, and the second and the second, third, and the fourth list items are there in the page number 2. So at this time,
bullet. No next list. Out of list president. List with 3 items. Bullet.
So it has been separated as list with 1 item in the page number 1 and the remaining 2, 3, and 4 as list with 3 items in the page number 2. So we can't expect that the screen reader will have to announce list with 4 items while separating by 2 pages when the list items are continued from one page to the next page. So if the reading option is in currently visible page setup reading, in this reading option, if the list items has been separated by any 2 pages, or if the list items are continued to 2 or more pages, it will separate the list items as in this file. In this file, first list item is in page number 1, and the second, third, and fourth list items are there in page number 2. So it is not announcing list with 4 items. It is announcing only list with 1 item in page number 1 and the remaining 3 items. That is list with the 3 items in the page number 2. So these are all the limitations while navigating through the list items when the reading option is changing from entire document page setup reading to the currently visible page setup reading. So we have to note this. So this is a very small thing we have to note. So some of the people will get confused when they are opening the large book containing some hundreds of pages and more than 500 or thousands of pages. So if they open with the currently visible page setup reading, means if the list items are continuing or has been separated by 2 or 1 or 2 or more pages, it will announce the number of list items separately. So don't get confused with that. If you are reading in the reading option of entire page setup reading, the number of list items announced by the screen readers will be difficult. In a single group of list itself, the screen reader will separate the list items, the number of list items when it is continuing in the 1 or more pages. Okay, so keep it in mind. This is a very small video. So let us see in the next video. Before that, please subscribe and do follow the videos. Don't miss the classes. That's it for today. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Download 01 meeting control.